Welcome back to SCQ. We are in the 8th match here in round 2. Scores are Ardenne high on 7 points, Bishop Gibson high on 4. You'll have noticed Ardenne picked up a point. The judges indeed accepted their answer to the chemistry question. When you add starch to iodine in water, it creates a complex with what color? Blue-black was the answer given and has been accepted. So it's 7-4 as we speed into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Bishop Gibson high, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. Which book of the Bible tells the story of a Jewish girl who became queen of Persia?
Esther.
Good. What name is given to the COVID-19 variant classified as B117?
Omicron.
Alpha. Which 7-letter noun starting with V means a trace, mark, or visible sign left by something lost or vanished?
Pass.
Vestige. Who is Jamaica's ambassador to the USA?
Pass.
Audrey Marks. The Churches of Peace are landmarks in which European country?
Scotland.
Poland. What is the capital of the U.S. state of Alaska?
Juneau.
Juneau. Correct. Which Jamaican artist recorded the album Reggae Forever?
Peter Tosh.
Itana. What is the formula for zinc hydroxide?
That is ZnOH bracket 2.
Correct. What is the difference between 99 squared and 98 squared?
So this is basically 197 times 1, which is equal 197.
Correct. Bishop. Which late Jamaican actor was fondly called Maffy?
Pass.
Voltaire Johnson, who was president of Egypt in 1989.
Anwar Sadat.
Hosni Mubarak. What is the first and last name of the great Australian cricketer? And we won't have time. Well done. Bishop Gibson, for your first minute. Ardenne, coming over to you now for your first minute here in the Speed Challenge. In the Bible, which woman's blood was licked by dogs after her death?
Jezebel.
That's right. What name is given to the COVID-19 variant classified as B16172?
Beta.
Delta. Which 5-letter noun starting with S means an heir or descendant of a wealthy or influential family?
Pass.
Scion. Who is Jamaica's ambassador to Cuba?
To Cuba, you know.
Pass.
Catherine Phipps. The Bran and Pelez castles are located in which European country?
Germany.
Romania. What is the capital of the U.S. state of Nevada?
Kansas City.
That's right. Which Jamaican artist recorded the album Rebellion Rises?
Ioctane.
Ziggy Marley. What is the formula for ferric hydroxide?
FeOH bracket 3.
Good. What is the difference between 102 squared and 101 squared?
203.
Correct. Which Jamaican actor is fondly called Johnny?
Johnny. Pass.
Christopher Daly, who was the leader of the Palestine Liberation Organization in 1991.
Pass.
Yasser Arafat. What is the first and last name of the great West Indies cricketer nicknamed Atlas? That was George Headley. Well done, Ardenne, for your first minute. Bishop Gibson, ladies, coming over to you now for your second minute. What is the SI unit of illuminance?
Lux.
Correct. What is the equivalent English proverb for al hombre osado la fortuna le da le mano?
A fool is money are parted.
Fortune favors the brave or bold. Which Caribbean author wrote the novel Jonestown?
Marvin Morris.
Wilson Harris. St. Thomas in the Vale is now a part of which Jamaican parish?
St. Thomas.
St. Catherine. In the Bible, Adonijah was the 4th son of King David, and which woman?
Bathsheba.
Haggith. In one type of asexual reproduction in flatworms, a part of the body is split off longitudinally and regenerates into a new worm. What is
Tail.
this? Sorry?
Tail.
It's fragmentation or cloning, the process. What figure of speech is used in this sentence? The man was relieved of his job last month.
Euphemism.
That's right. What is the name used to refer to the combination of tarsal bones in humans?
Ankle.
That's right. Who is the acting permanent secretary in Jamaica's Ministry of Education, Youth and
Maureen
Information?
Dwyer.
That's right. Biodiversity is greatest in what type of biome?
Pass.
Tropical rainforest. Which Jamaican group recorded the album? And we won't have time. Well done, Bishop Gibson, for your second minute. Soon come. Ardenne, coming back over to you now for your second minute. What is the SI unit of inductance?
Henry.
That's right. What is the equivalent English phrase for apretados pero contentos?
Pass.
The more the merrier. Which Caribbean author wrote the work The Jamaican Stage, 1655 to 1900?
Earl Hill.
Sorry?
Earl Hill.
That's right. St. David is now a part of which Jamaican parish?
St. Thomas.
That's right. In the Bible, who was Esther's biological father?
Father.
Pass.
Abihail. What is the scientific term for the head of a tapeworm?
Head of a tapeworm.
Pass.
That's a scolex. What figure of speech is used in this sentence? The breaking story by the network was old news.
Oxymoron.
That's right. What is the scientific name for the 5 bones in the palm of the human hand?
In the palm.
Metacarpal.
That's right. Who is the permanent secretary in the office of the Prime Minister in Jamaica?
Sewell.
That's right. In what type of large biome in Africa would you find lions, giraffes, and elephants?
Pass.
Savannah. Which Jamaican artist recorded the album A Matter of Time?
Marley.
Protégé. What is the name for an atom that has the same number of protons but different number of neutrons?
Isotope.
That's right. Well done, Ardenne, for your second minute. Ladies, back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the name of the positively charged ion that is formed when an atom loses an electron?
Cation.
Correct. What is 49 decimal converted to binary?
1011.
110001. In which local TV series was the character Johnny introduced?
Pass.
Lime Tree Lane. In which city was the agreement to end the Vietnam War signed in 1973?
Washington, D.C.
Paris. Ludlow Bernard is the head coach of which schoolboy football team in Jamaica?
Humberlands.
Kingston College. What is the gain of a single-stage non-inverting operational amplifier with feedback
Pass.
resistor? That's 11. Which animal on a Spanish farm is la cabra?
The donkey.
The goat. Which of the Bronte sisters wrote the poem entitled To a Wreath of Snow? That was Emily. Metcalfe is now a part of which Jamaican parish?
St. Mary.
St. Mary. In the Bible, the name Agur is referenced in which book?
Pass.
Proverbs. Which hormone controls the body's mood, appetite, and sleep cycles?
Ghrelin.
Serotonin, spelled judicious.
So this is J.
And you won't have time. Judicious. Well done, Bishop Gibson, for your third and final minute. And the St. Mary, the answer was indeed correct, I'm being told in my ear. So that has been accepted. Ardenne, coming back over to you now for your third and final answer. Third and final minute. What is 38 decimal converted to binary?
Decimal. 1 0 0 1 1 0.
Correct. From which 1980s television series did Glenn Campbell get the nickname Titus?
Pass.
Titus in Town. Which U.S. president sent the Treaty of Ghent to the Senate to end the War of 1812?
So it would have been James Monroe.
James Madison, the other one. Lenworth Hyde is the head coach of which schoolboy football team in Jamaica?
JC.
Clarendon College. A single-stage inverting operational amplifier has a gain of -75 with feedback resistor of 225
Pass.
kiloohms, and that's 3 kiloohms. Which animal in a Spanish forest is El Ciervo?
The serpent or the
Deer.
snake. Okay.
Which of the Bronte sisters wrote the novel The Green Dwarf?
And Bronte.
Charlotte. In what year was the number of parishes in Jamaica reduced from 22 to 14?
1867.
Good. In the Bible, what name was given to the descendants of Anak?
Enoch.
The Anakites.
Good. Which hormone helps in constructing bone and reducing blood calcium?
So, parathormone.
Calcitonin. Well done, Ardenne. That's the end of the speed challenge. And the scores in the match at this time look to be Ardenne High just ahead on 21 points. Bishop Gibson High still in the match on 14. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting Buzzer Challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. This 8th match in round 2 in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.